Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about bar chart and column chart. The most interesting point about data visualization is you have to be as simple as possible and you are the best. So let's jump into the video. Here I am showing you 5 examples of data visualizations. Now I am going to show you how you can make these type of visualizations for your data. And watch till the end because I have got a pro tip for you. That will be a bonus. First, we will be setting up some goals and these are here. The first visualization will be a simple year over year comparison for quantity. So we just take quantity and we take the year from date hierarchy. It is done. You got it right. Let's jump to the second one. Okay, we took the visualization, that is stacked bar chart. We took quantity again and the year, and on the legend we will be using channel versus web, so it shows a bit of understanding how much sales we got from channel and how much sales we got from web. Second one is done. Now the third one, I will show the average monthly sales. Here you will be having some trouble if you were using the regular function from Power BI or the built-in function. Let me show you. We took the quantity and we took the month, but it is giving us the sum of quantity. And when we go with the average, it will just give us like 1, 2. What it is basically doing is dividing the quantity by the raw number. But we don't need that. We need to find out on a monthly basis what is the quantity. So what we have to do is we have to sum the quantity and we have to divide by the date count. For example, when you are using it for January, so it is getting all the January number quantity and it is dividing by all the January date numbers, so it is giving us the daily average. Now let's jump to the fourth one, and it will be a clustered column chart. What it will show? It will show us the yearly comparison for the all sales month. This is also done. And now the last one, stacked column chart to show monthly quantity with channel versus web contribution. And now we take the stacked column chart, we get the quantity, we get the year, and we get the month. And with the legend we will be using channel versus web. What it is showing is, it is showing us every month sale for every year, so you can get a quick comparison of which month was the best on all the months. Now we can resize all the visualizations and that's it. Your dashboard is ready with only the graph of bar chart and column chart. Now I will be showing you a very interesting feature of Power BI. You go to the format and you select zoom slider, and you got a nice little slider. You can slide it and make it bigger or smaller. In that way, the month which has low numbers, you can see very well. This is the pro tip. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.